Take a look what I found online for just $2. And it's a DIY kit. What is it? It says Touch Stepless Dimming Kit Electronic DIY Engineering Kit Electronic Soldering Skills Practice DIY Hobbyist Holiday Gift. I found it interesting and that's why I ordered it, and of course I got it. Oh, again, no bubbles, sorry. Zip bag in the zip bag. This is instruction manual and the parts. Ooh. In instruction manual everything is described very well. Also here it is the circuit diagram. It says that it's working the module on 5 volts. In this great package there it is the LEDs. These are LED filaments, 4 of them. One is a replacement. For the kit I need only 3, and you need to be extra careful with these because they are very fragile. Alright, so we have all electronic components, capacitor, resistors, transistor, and this SMD integrated chip. And before soldering all the components and assembling this beautiful DIY project, the sponsor of this video is JLC PCB. Turn your concepts into reality with JLC PCB, your one-stop solution for PCB manufacturing and assembly. Get 5 professional boards for just $2 with lighting, fast 24-hour production and worldwide delivery. From single-layer prototypes to advanced 32-layer PCBs, discover easy, affordable and reliable PCB production with JLC PCB. Enjoy free design checks, a large component library, and hassle-free assembly service. Create smarter, build faster, choose JLC PCB today. First I'm gonna solder, of course, the resistors, so I need to place them. Everything is marked on the PCB, so you can't miss. 100 ohms. Next, the capacitors, 47 microfarads. The resistors, the capacitors, and the transistor are soldered, and next thing is to solder this tiny SMD integrated chip, and later I'm gonna add the LED filaments. I need to be extra careful with those. Okay. This one is the tricky part. The LED filaments have positive and negative side. You need to be careful about that. I'm gonna try to solder right now. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, okay. I solder also 2 wires, positive and negative, and now remains to This is the replacement filament. I will keep it that. The metal screws. These are like a holder for the module. So here it is, the Smart LED Light Kit DIY project. All components are below. We have these 4 metal holders, so you can see it like this. When you press it, lights on, but with an effect. And what kind of effect? You're gonna see right now. Let's power up. It's working on 5 volts, remember that. Okay. And it's a touch one. When you touch it, it turns on. Touch it. Ooh, with smooth fade lighting. When you touch again, fade out. It have fade in and fade out when it's turned on and turned off. Take a look. I killed the studio light so you can see better how it's working. Fade in from low to high, and when to turn off from high to low. Take a look. And I can reduce the brightness. Okay, this is low. Let's turn off. And when you turn on, it remember that light. That is beautiful. Can you see that? Turn off, turn on, and remember the brightness. I can increase it to the maximum, turn off, and yes. Ooh, super cool project. It's simple, but I like it. With a touch. Ooh, low, high. And let's see how much current is pulling this gadget at 5 volts. At low, it's pulling 2 milliamperes. And let's go to the maximum. It's pulling 73 milliamperes. Okay. At middle, 24. 73, and let's go down to 2 milliamperes, and when it's off, almost 0 milliamperes. Nice. It turned out pretty cool. What you say? I love it. Touch off, touch on, with fade. Beautiful. Okay. That was all for today's video. If you like it, please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!